Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. My name is Carrie Scharf, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. In this episode, we're going to dive into a topic that's close to my heart, journaling to enhance both your skincare and self-care routines. First, we'll explore the numerous benefits of journaling. Then I'll share 3 easy journaling methods you can start using right away. Plus, stick around for a special announcement at the end of the episode. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about why journaling pairs so well with skincare routines. Both are deeply personal, reflective practices that allow you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. When you take the time to journal while also caring for your skin, you're essentially creating a mindful check-in moment with yourself. It's a beautiful dual practice. Journaling helps promote mindfulness, allowing you to be present and fully engaged in what you're doing. This kind of focus can turn your skincare routine from a chore into a cherished self-care ritual. But there's more. Journaling offers several benefits. For one, it helps reduce stress. Pouring your thoughts onto paper can be incredibly cathartic. Another perk is tracking what works for your skin. By noting the products you use and how your skin reacts, you can more easily identify what's effective and what's not. Last, but definitely not least, journaling lets you celebrate your self-care efforts. It can serve as a reminder of the steps you're taking to care for your well-being, no matter how small they may seem. And this brings us to an exciting concept from our new guide, the Ultimate Guide to Words That Bloom. This guide delves into how journaling can be a transformative part of your self-care arsenal. If you're interested in diving deeper, be sure to check it out. Trust me, it's full of insights you won't want to miss. Now that we've covered the benefits of journaling, let's dive into 3 simple journaling methods that you can easily incorporate into your skincare and self-care routines. These methods are designed to be quick, enjoyable, and highly effective. First on the list is what I like to call the one-sentence skincare snapshot. This method is perfect for those who are short on time but still want to keep a record of their skincare journey. After completing your skincare routine, take a moment to jot down one brief sentence about how your skin feels. It could be something like, "My skin feels hydrated and smooth after using the new serum," or "Noticed some redness after trying a different cleanser." This simple act can help you keep track of what works and what doesn't without taking up much time. Next up is the word garden for self-care moments. This method is a bit more creative and fun. After engaging in any self-care activity, whether it's a Pilates session, a bubble bath, or even just a few minutes of rest, create a little word garden in your journal. Write down keywords or short phrases that capture the essence of how you feel at that moment. Words like calm, rejuvenated, or peaceful can help you savor and remember those positive feelings. It's like planting seeds of positivity that you can revisit later. The third method is the gratitude list for your glow. This is one of my favorites for its simplicity and profound impact. At the end of your skincare or self-care routine, write down 1 to 3 things you're grateful for related to that experience. It can be as small as appreciating the scent of your favorite lotion, or as significant as acknowledging the time you've dedicated to yourself. Focusing on gratitude can boost your mood and encourage a positive mindset around your self-care practices. There you have it. 3 straightforward journaling methods to enhance your skincare and self-care routines. Whether you choose the one-sentence skincare snapshot, the word garden for self-care moments, or the gratitude list for your glow, each of these techniques offers a unique way to connect more deeply with yourself and your practices. Now here's a pro tip for you. Try linking your journaling practice with specific skincare or self-care moments to help form lasting habits. For instance, make it a point to jot down a few thoughts right after you complete your nightly skincare routine. Over time, this practice will become second nature, and you'll find yourself not only sticking to your skincare regimen more consistently, but also enjoying the added mindfulness that journaling brings. And now for an announcement I'm really excited about. Our brand new guide, The Ultimate Guide to Words That Bloom, is now available. This guide is packed with insights on how to make journaling a powerful part of your self-care toolkit. Whether you're a journaling newbie or a seasoned pro, there's something in it for everyone. So be sure to check it out. Lastly, if you're craving more tips and prompts like these, don't forget to join our newsletter. It's a great way to stay connected and get weekly inspiration directly to your inbox. That wraps up today's episode. We recapped the main points of how journaling can enhance both your skincare and self-care routines. shared 3 easy journaling methods, and introduced our exciting new guide, The Ultimate Guide to Words That Bloom. If you're new to journaling or looking to get back into it, remember, start small. Little steps can make a big difference over time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to check the show notes for links mentioned in today's episode. And if you haven't already, be sure to join our newsletter for more inspiration and tips. This is Carrie Scharf signing off. You've been listening to Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Have a wonderful day and happy journaling.